There you go, 9:13, a beautiful, beautiful start to Columbus Day weekend, a chance to head on out and enjoy the wondrous, wondrous foliage that we have here in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. And to help you decide where to go today, and I have a feeling I know where he's going to send you, is Greg Keeler. And Greg Keeler, of course, is both known for his work as marketing director at Cannon Mountain, but also as manager in Franconia Notch State
Franconia Notch State Park is the summertime thing.
Excellent. And here he is taking time, summer and fall. The colors must be vibrant in and around our beautiful White Mountains.
They are pretty nice, and I've been pretty much every way you can get to Franconia Notch from here, and it's a really good tour.
So you can get there from here.
You can get there from here. It's easy, and I highly recommend it today. If you want a tour of pretty much the best foliage in the region, you'll kind of get all varieties from just about peaking to peak to a little past peak in places, but
wow, the alliteration. Wow, cool, it's just popping out.
One too many P's.
Absolutely, but basically, I think you're describing what's called the White Mountain Loop.
Right, 100-mile.
100-mile drive that incorporates places like the Kank and the
and Route 302.
Route 302.
And I noticed on my drive in a lot of the hotel parking lots are still full, so I guess if you're still flubbing around in your hotel room right now trying to figure out the plan for the day, that's not a bad thing, because you know, this is definitely a great thing to do that'll fill your entire day. You'll get foliage, you'll get a ride up the tram, you can see the flume, and that'll pack your day full, and you can do all those things in one day. So.
Well, speaking of going up to the tram, you could sort of talk local and say, do you want to get in ketchup or mustard?
Right.
Lincoln or Lafayette?
Right, Lincoln or Lafayette. We have two trams. They hold 80 people.
Yes.
It'll be busy today for sure, but yesterday, for example, the visibility was 80 miles from the top. So you could see out to Willoughby Gap, and just beyond that's Canada. You could see Old Speck in Maine. I think we got a glimpse of the Adirondacks in New York. You can see into Vermont, obviously. It was just spectacular.
Nice. And you also mentioned the tram, but there's also the flume.
Right, yeah. So from here, a great way to do it from the valley is to head out 302 west, pretty much towards Crawford Notch, go through Crawford Notch to Route 3 in Twin Mountain, and then take a left on Route 3. That's a beautiful drive up through Crawford Notch right now. And there's I don't want to tip you off too much, but there's been a moose hanging around near the AMC Highland Center. The last few days, for some reason, that he's been there for a while, and it's become quite a sight. And the waterfalls are right there too, Silver Cascade. And the Flume Cascade, I think it's called, the two waterfalls right on the road. But that's a great drive up through 302. You'll find varying degrees of foliage along the way, and then you take a left on Twin Mountain. That puts you right on 93, and you take 93 south for just one exit, and you're at the Flume. That's exit 34B on I-93. So you can start your day at the did I say the Flume?
Did you? Well, the Flume.
34B is the tram.
The tram.
So start your day at the tram. What you can do is get a Discovery Pass. That'll get you a ride up the tram, an entry into the Flume Gorge, and you save a couple bucks.
Nice.
So you can get that right at the tram, take a tram ride, spend as much time as you want on the summit, enjoy the view, come back down, head on 93 south to exit 34A. That's the Flume.
Yes.
The Flume Gorge. It's beautiful right now. And the water in the Flume Gorge is still running pretty good from the rain earlier in the week. So on top of the trees and the scenery and everything, the water in the gorge is actually flowing pretty well right now. So it's pretty fun.
And then back along the Kank.
And then take 93 south to Lincoln, and take the Kank, Route 112, right back over to Conway, and it's a beautiful loop. And in between, you get a ride up the tram and a walk through the Flume.
And just because traditionally Columbus Day weekend, a lot of people are sort of thinking about skiing. We've also had some ski places already fire up their snow guns and testing them, blowing.
Testing, we had a little test the other day. And it got down to about 29 degrees, but a couple weeks ago we had our first snow on the summit. So
there you go.
It was a couple weeks earlier than normal for us. Usually it happens right around this weekend we get our first snow, but foliage seems to be happening a little bit later this year. We're usually about past peak pretty much everywhere in the notch by this weekend, but it seems to be hanging on. So
All right, hanging on and hanging out.
Yeah, good bet is to do that 100-mile loop. Go by the tram, go by the flume, either or. You know, you can eat lunch at the top of the tram. That's a great thing to do. You can eat lunch at the flume too. So if you want to pack your day full, get the best foliage in the region, head over to Franconia Notch State Park.
Greg Keeler, thank you very much for stopping by this morning.
All right.
Always a pleasure, and
All right.
all sorts of fun stuff right here on White Mountains today. Don't go